Hey, in this video, I'm going to explain the Law of Demeter and why it's super useful. So, what is the Law of Demeter? It's a guideline that helps us write cleaner, more maintainable code. Imagine you're at a fast food restaurant. You ask the cashier for a burger, not the person who grills the patties. The Law of Demeter is just like that. It's about talking to the right person for the job without going through a bunch of middlemen. By following this law, your code becomes easier to read, understand, and most importantly, to change without breaking everything else. It helps reduce dependencies between different parts of your code, making your project more robust and less likely to have bugs. Now let's look at a quick example to see how this works. Let's say we have a player class, and that player has a weapon. Each weapon has an ammo count, and you want to check how much ammo is left. Here's how you might do it without following the Law of Demeter. Here, we're reaching through the player to get the weapon and then the ammo. This means our code is tightly coupled and hard to maintain if things change later. Now let's follow the Law of Demeter to clean this up. See the difference? Now, instead of directly accessing the weapon's ammo, we ask the player for the ammo count. This way, if anything changes inside the player or weapon class, our main code doesn't break. This makes our code more flexible and easier to manage. To wrap it up, the Law of Demeter helps you write code that's easier to maintain, reduces bugs, and makes your life as a developer a lot easier in the long run. So, next time you're coding in Unity, remember to keep it simple and follow this law.